how to reset your Chromecast device. So in this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually reset your Chromecast and set it all up from the very beginning, from the start and from the date of time when you actually purchase it. For that, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. In my case, you can see that my Google Home app is actually connected to my TV, and let's say I want to actually reset it. You might not have noticed it yet, but when you actually purchase a Chromecast, there is a small side button on the back of your Chromecast which you have to press it in order to reset it. So let me turn over my TV as well and then go ahead and simply show you. If you look closely on this Chromecast device, in my case you can see, while you're actually connected to it, you have to actually simply press and hold this button which you see on the back of your Chromecast device. If it is not connected, it is basically not going to be resetted. So you have to make sure that the cable is actually linked still, and then we are going to actually press and hold on it for a while. So once you press and hold, you can see it says us restarting, and then it is actually performing a factory reset. So we're going to be patient and wait, and let's see what it is going to say us. It may take a while to actually reset this Chromecast device. Currently you are seeing the blue screen, but it is going to be resetted eventually, and it will ask you to set it up all from the very beginning when you actually purchase the Chromecast device. Now you can see it says us this Google Chromecast setting up from the beginning, and it may take a while, and after that again you have to take out a smartphone and then connect to it. So let's see what it is going to say us. So now you can see it is setting up from the very beginning, and you have to take out your smartphone and then connect to it again, and this is how you could actually reset your Google Chromecast. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.